Hi, I'm Matt and I manage the drone operations at Aerobotics. So managing the drone operations entails a few things. We deal with the day-to-day booking of drone flights for the farmers, making sure the pilots get out to the farmers at the right time, at the right place. And also, one of my bigger roles is creating this network of pilots across the world. So Aerobotics is expanding quite fast into different regions, different countries, different continents. So my role is to make sure that we have pilots with the right hardware all over the world. And then other small things include fulfillment and planning, hardware, sales, strategic finance, stuff like that. So I joined Aerobotics last year in November at the start of the week. I was previously working for an investment company and I got this message on LinkedIn about working as a drone operations associate for Aerobotics. I was super confused because I didn't know how that related to me working in investments. But I went for the interview and was completely blown away, and 2 weeks later I left my job and joined Aerobotics. So far it's the 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock award at Aerobotics, which is essentially being the best teammate at Aerobotics. So it's a bit of a tricky one because there's lots of departments in Aerobotics that's exciting, but probably finance is one of them because that's what I studied at university and obviously had a bit of a finance background working in investments. But otherwise, probably the agronomy sector. The work they're doing with the yield predictions and the pest and disease identification is incredible. I spent a day out with them in the field counting fruit and actually getting to know a lot more about agriculture, and that's super exciting. I guess just to see what happens with the company in a couple of years' time. In the short span of time that I've been at Aerobotics, we've done so much and moved so quickly that I can't even imagine where it will be in 2 years' time. I'm assuming it will be all over the world, everyone's using our product, and yeah, that's what I'm most looking forward to. There's been so many. I guess maybe my first interview, I wasn't actually working yet, but that was the most exciting for me because I went in not even knowing about this company or what it does and leaving completely flabbergasted with how innovative it is. But otherwise, probably one of the many team building nights on a Thursday. I'll probably actually be a vineyard for obvious reasons. And also just because I guess grapes have multiple uses and you have to be very diverse to work at Aerobotics, working in multiple fields, doing multiple things at once. Yeah.